Hello there. Have you ever found yourself trying to connect two contrasting ideas in the smooth, sophisticated way? Sometimes, but just as not quite capture the feeling. That is where a powerful word like nevertheless comes in handy. Today, we are going to break down the meaning of nevertheless, explore its synonyms, and see how to use it perfectly in your English conversations and writing. So, what does nevertheless mean? At its core, nevertheless is an adverb. It means in spite of that, or however. It is used to introduce a statement that contrasts with something that has just been said. It shows a concession or a surprising outcome, despite a preceding factor. Think of it as a bridge between two opposing ideas, indicating that the second idea is still true or valid, despite the first. Let us look at some synonyms that can help you understand it even better. Words like however, nonetheless, even so, yet, and in spite of everything all convey a similar sense of contrast or continuation against expectations. While they share a core meaning, nevertheless often carries a slightly more formal or emphatic tone than a simple but or however. Now, for some practical examples. Seeing it in action is the best way to grasp its usage. Imagine this scenario. The team faced several significant challenges during the project. Nevertheless, they managed to complete it successfully and on time. Here, the success happened despite the challenges. Another one, the weather forecast predicted heavy rain all day. Nevertheless, we decided to go ahead with our picnic plans, hoping for the best. Our decision to picnic went against the rain prediction. Here is a third example. He admitted that the task was incredibly difficult and took a lot of effort. Nevertheless, he found the entire experience to be very rewarding. The rewarding aspect is true despite the difficulty. And one more for good measure. Many people warned her about the risks involved in starting her own business. Nevertheless, she pursued her dream with determination and achieved great success. Her success came in spite of the warnings. As you can see, nevertheless is a fantastic tool for adding nuance and sophistication to your language. It allows you to acknowledge a point or obstacle and then smoothly pivot to an outcome or idea that stands despite it. So, the next time you want to express in spite of that, or however, with a little more flair, remember, nevertheless. It is a versatile word that strengthens your ability to connect contrasting thoughts clearly and effectively. Keep practicing, and you will be using it like a pro in no time.